Stage lights blur into liquid gold. Headphones hum a secret code. No script tonight, just skin and sound. My heartbeat paints the empty ground. Mirror cracked, no more disguise. Let the static fill my eyes. Mic drop, but the song won't stop. It's crawling up from deep inside. I am not a name, I am the neon rain. Catch my voice in the bassline as flame. Dancing where the signal breaks, I'm the song your soul can't escape. Smudged, heels kicked off. Truth tastes better when it's raw. No Choreo, just nerve and wire, setting every fake thing on fire. I am not a star, I am the afterglow. Watch me melt into the strobe, running through the speaker's heart. I am the beat that tears you apart. They wanted bows and perfect lines, but my chaos sings in colorblind. No encore, just this endless now, where I vanish in the music buzz. I am not a girl, I am the frequency. Every note a rebellion cry. Break the screen, burn the frame. I'm the light that has no name.